9 signs she's interested in an older man. If you're an older man interested in a younger woman, there are signs younger women show that older men might not notice. But let's get things right. Being an older man doesn't just mean being over 60. Even a 5-year age difference can matter. In this video, I'll share the 9 things younger women often do when they like an older man and explain why older men might not pick up on these signals. 1. She says she wants someone who is stable. When a younger woman expresses a desire for stability in her life, it indicates her inclination towards being with an older man. This observation holds particularly true if she is below the age of 35. The concept of stability varies from person to person. For instance, it might involve economic and emotional security, and for some it could also entail the significant milestone of owning a home. This doesn't necessarily imply that she has never dated someone she considers stable. Analyzing this criterion might lead to some interesting insights, but that's a discussion for another occasion. Even though everyone may have their own idea of what stability means, for most people, it includes having a job and a place to live. In the United States, the typical age for a person to buy their first home is around 33. This means that men who meet this standard of being stable are less likely to be in their 20s or early 30s. Having more life experience often leads to greater financial and emotional maturity. So, when a girl expresses interest in dating someone older, she's letting you know that she's open to this possibility. 2. She says guys her age are not mature enough. When a girl says guys her age are immature, it means she's not keen on dating them. This leaves guys closer to your age as potential interests. It's like a signal saying she'd be okay if you asked her out. But here's the catch. It only works if you're mature too. Just being over 30, 40, or 50 doesn't mean you're automatically emotionally mature. Some guys nearing 40 can act like kids when they're unhappy or in tricky situations. To match what she's looking for, you'll need to handle tough situations calmly, have good relationships, and communicate well, even when you don't agree. This way, you can show her that you're the kind of person who understands and supports her needs. 3. She wants to learn from you. If a younger lady likes you, she might get really happy and curious when you teach her something she doesn't know. Since you've been around longer, you've learned more about the world, and that means you can share interesting things with younger people, like her. You might notice her asking you for advice or information about things she's not familiar with. When she does this, it shows that she really likes you and thinks you're smart and knowledgeable. This is a sign that she values what you know and appreciates you for who you are. 4. She introduces you to her friends. Some older men might feel worried about younger women because they think they might be interested in their money. You might have heard the term gold digger before. It's used to describe a person, often a younger woman, who is mainly interested in someone, usually an older man, because of their wealth. Most gold diggers usually keep it a secret or only share it with their gold-digging friends. A good sign that she genuinely likes you is if she proudly introduces you to her friends and isn't afraid of what they might think. It's even better if her friends come from different backgrounds and have various kinds of relationships. If you can tell that these friends are important to her and they all hang out comfortably together, it's a strong indication that she truly likes you for who you are. 5. She doesn't care about age gaps. Sometimes, a younger girl might try to act playful and make jokes about the fact that she's younger than an older guy she likes. For example, there was a friend of mine, let's call her Amy, who started spending time with a guy who was 15 years older than her. When he mentioned something that happened before she was born, she'd turn a bit red and tease him, saying things like, "Wow, that really shows your age," or "All right, old man." She'd giggle afterward, but we could all tell she felt a bit awkward about the age gap. And guess what? They didn't end up staying together. But a lady who doesn't make those kinds of comments and is okay with the age difference is more likely to genuinely like you. She'll appreciate the things that make you unique, and that's a good sign. 6. She doesn't mind getting close to you physically. When she deliberately moves physically closer to you, it's a clear indication of her interest. This shows that she's not keen on engaging with the other men around and has chosen to stick by your side. This gesture carries a lot of weight in revealing her feelings towards you. Moreover, she holds your opinion in high regard, even above others. You're the one she turns to for advice and seeks your perspective on matters. In her eyes, you're the person she trusts the most. This means that what you think matters to her more than anyone else's viewpoint. She's curious about your thoughts on just about everything. If someone says something, she wants to know how it affected you before sharing her own thoughts or potentially disagreeing with them based on their words. 7. Her body language is inviting. If she goes out of her way to be close to you and tries to get your attention, it's a clear sign that she might be interested in you. Girls often give off signals that they like someone, even if they haven't fully realized it themselves. When a girl is attracted to you, she might move or position herself in a way that catches your eye. Body language is a very strong way people communicate without words. Sometimes it's subtle and easy to miss, but it's hard to ignore. If a girl is into you, she'll likely use her body language to let you know, especially when you're just talking and not physically close. For example, if she's sitting and she subtly moves closer to you, maybe even lightly touching your arm while speaking in a gentle tone, it's a good indication that she's interested and wants to feel closer to you. 8. She asks about your past relationships. If she starts asking you about your past relationships, it's a sign she might be interested in exploring a future with you. The more she understands about your previous romantic experiences, the clearer picture she has of what she thinks a potential future with you could be like. Even if you're not officially dating, she's not hesitant to have conversations with your ex-partners and seems genuinely curious about them. This shows she's trying to get a sense of what kind of partner you might be in a relationship and is keen on learning about your preferences and dislikes. 9. She reveals personal details to you. She likes to bring up topics that really captivate her. For instance, she might share her top movie, book, or an interesting article, and then inquire if you've watched it, read it, or know about it. It's her way of saying, "Hey, do you share my interests?" Even though it might seem like a small thing, she's keen on understanding your overall feelings about things. This shows that she's trying to measure how much you both have in common, even with the age difference, and is trying to see how well you'll connect and get along together. If you liked today's video, please give us a like and subscribe for more content like this.